Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn intro, capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, red color, blue color, gray color, pink color, yellow ochre color, orange color, purple color, green color, white color, light gray color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Okay, so now you draw F and use blue color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. Okay, so now you draw O and use red color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Okay, so now you draw R and use black color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. Okay, so now you draw W and use orange color. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you draw 6 and use black color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.